What's the meaning of brucellosis? Brucellosis. Brucellosis.
Brucellosis. Brucellosis. Brucellosis is a bacterial infection caused by the genus Brucella. It is primarily transmitted to humans through ingestion of contaminated dairy products or through direct contact with infected animals such as goats, sheep, and cattle. Symptoms of brucellosis may include fever, headache, joint pain, and fatigue. The disease can become chronic and persistent in some individuals, leading to long-term complications such as arthritis and neurological symptoms. Early diagnosis and treatment with antibiotics are important for preventing the progression of the disease. Control measures for brucellosis in livestock include vaccination, culling of infected animals, and strict hygiene practices in handling dairy products.